This 2008 Tiffin Allegro 42QRP is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, smoke detector, stovetop burner, skylight, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, TV, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2008 Tiffin Allegro 42QRP is built on a Freightliner Raised Rail Chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.